I'm going to change the air filter on a 2006 Dodge Magnum SXT with the 3.5 liter V6. It's very easy to do. You'll see right here there's just 2 clips. You don't even need any tools, so don't you know, if you want to save a couple bucks, you can easily do this yourself. Anyone could do this. Just, I like to remove the breather line right here. Just a little easier access than these 2 clips. You're going to pull them back and then pull this top lid up. And you'll see in the back, they kind of slide in. Here, there's 3 little things that slide in, so you're going to have to pull these clips out. See, I'm even going to try to do it with one hand. And grab. Yeah, see it popped, and you just kind of pull in there, then pull it out this way. You're going to want to do this probably check it every 6 months. You can see this one's nice and nasty. There's a new one, part number SA9838. We'll include links on Amazon for the part if you don't want to go to the parts store to get it. You don't like leaving your house. Just plop that in as such. Throw that one back in the box and throw it away. Put the line up in the back. See how it's over the little plastic piece. You want to pull it forward. Gotta line these up. There. See how they're lined up now? Get each one in there. There we go. And just push down. So those both snap into place and you're done. Oh yeah, reconnect the breather line.